Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to install the Modern Flames Redstone electric fireplace insert. Today we'll be working with a 36-inch model. The first step is to install the surround. The fireplace comes standard with an existing surround. If you've purchased a different size, replace it now. In order to do that, you'll need to remove the old surround. That is done by simply removing the 4 screws on the top, the 2 screws on each side, and replace it with a new one. With the surround installed, we can now move on to powering up your fireplace. This fireplace comes standard with a 3-prong plug. Simply plug that into your home. The second option is to have an electrician use the provided hardwire kit and wire the fireplace into the home. With the surround installed and power run to our fireplace, it is now time to place our media. The Redstone fireplace comes with 2 different types of media. That includes acrylic beads and a Driftwood log set. The Driftwood log set comes equipped with its own lighting. You'll need to plug this Molex connector into its counterpart in the fireplace. With the log set plugged in, now is the time to add the optional acrylic beads. Our final step is to replace the glass. The glass is inserted in a channel on the bottom of the fireplace and then held in the top by 4 screws. We'll put those in now. And that is everything you need to know about installing your Modern Flames Redstone electric fireplace insert. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.